Hemoglobin A1c, sometimes referred to just as A1c or my A1c in TV commercials, insulin is needed for glucose to enter cells in our body and to be used for energy. Diabetes is a disease resulting in high blood glucose levels. So hemoglobin is this molecule to the left over here. You can see it spinning around and it carries oxygen to our cells. And these are red blood cells over here that are packed full of hemoglobin. That's why they're red. Type 1 diabetes is 10% of the cases. Too little insulin is made by the pancreas. That's what causes type 1 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is 90% of the cases, and in it, cells are not responsive to insulin. Hemoglobin A1c and diabetes. Glucose is our basic metabolic fuel of our cells in the brain. We need it. So how does high glucose cause disease? Proteins do all the work in the body, such as muscles and the enzymes that do our metabolism. Proteins have amino groups on them, and they're happy with that. However, glucose will attach to those amino groups and make them unhappy. Glycated proteins. This results in inflammation and tissue damage, which is all bad. Glycated hemoglobin is our A1c. Normal A1c is 4% to 5.6% A1c. Pre-diabetic A1c is 5.7 to 6.4%, and diabetes is defined as people having 6.5 or higher levels percentage of A1c. So you see glycated hemoglobin with glucose attached. Red blood cells are 45% of blood by volume. Red blood cells contain millions of hemoglobin molecules. 2.5 million red blood cells die every second, and 2.5 new red blood cells are made every second. New hemoglobin does not have glucose attached, 0 A1c. Red blood cells live about 120 days, so we get red blood cells, new red blood cells, every 3 to 4 months. Other human cells live up to 7 to 10 years. So A1c is a snapshot of what is happening throughout the body. Glycation happens to all proteins. Glycation damages protein functions. Glycation is irreversible. Failure to control diabetes equals higher A1c. Higher amounts of glycation and more protein damage damages the eyes, the kidneys, and the blood vessels over time. It's not good. So watch your A1c levels. Thank you, David Johnson, biochemist. Intelligence plus character, that is the goal of true education. Darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can do that. Hate cannot drive out hate. Only love can do that. Martin Luther King. Thank you.